Hey guys, it's me, the Federal Successor 2022 here, and welcome to the 99th episode of Logo History. First episode, look at Wachovia, KY Hurricanes. Very crazy. We're going to talk about Wachovia. 1879 to 1986, there's Wachovia black text. 1986 to 2002, there's Wachovia, and blue text, and under the word there's a red stripe. 2002 to 2011, there's a blue square. There's a blue, green, there's a blue, and green in waves. And under the square there's Wachovia in blue text. Alright, let's take a look at the Carolina Hurricanes. In 1972 to 1979, here is the first name of the Carolina Hurricanes, New England Whalers. There's a white ring inside. There's where New England, where's the New England Whaler. There's a black text, and it's surrounded by a bunch of white ships. It's on the green outline, and inside and below the ring there's a green circle. Inside there's a white W with a stick. 1979 to 1982. Here is the second name of the Carolina Hurricanes, Hartford Whalers. We have Greenwood W, and on top of it there's a whale tail. 1992 to 1997. Now is on the green, now a white, gray, and blue outline. 1997. They finally changed their name to the Carolina Hurricanes. Here I have a concept logo. There's that have a shape of a red sea. Between shape there's Carolina Hurricanes and red text. 1997 to 1999. There's a hurricane. We have red and black shapes. 1999 to the present. The logo got a bit lighter. Alright, now take a look at Mr. A. Chrissy. (2013) to the present, which is a picture of Mr. Chrissy. His smile hanging in front of a building. Alright guys, that's the episode of Logo History. Thanks a lot. So stay tuned for the next episode. For the next episode, stay tuned for episode 100. Was Foggrow and the Oilers. There's JL's Entertainment Club and two requested logos. Bye for now.